No, no, no. Hello, I'm Christiana, and this video is about letting go of my iPad Air, setting up a brand new iPad. This is the 5th generation 12.9. This thing is so much bigger. The whole point is get going and get started doing my art on my favorite app, Procreate. I also have a magnetic keyboard case. As a mom, I'm around my kiddo a lot. I need something portable, but also protected. This video is going to tell you about how my experience was with that, and also we're going to draw a little something. It's going to be my first time using the Apple Pencil, which I've been hearing amazing things about, but I also have a screen protector. We're gonna see how that works. So let's go. I am not making that dust mistake again. Before I kick up any more dust and get any more fingerprints on there, the screen protector, dust blower. The struggle is when I use my iPad to draw and I have a screen protector on. If there's even the tiniest little dust mote, it catches. The best job I've done ever. There's only one tiny little dust mote. I'm not even gonna show you. I don't want to immortalize that frustration. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It's so much bigger. I am not gentle with my iPads, unfortunately, especially with the kid around. I went ahead and got myself a case. I also use this to post on my Patreon, to write up ideas. It's not just for drawing, and I need it portable, so I also have a wireless keyboard. I like having the control of where I want the keyboard and when I want to use it, so I like a detachable keyboard. So she's ready to be charged. Just a little bit heavier, but look how much bigger. Oh my goodness. I have been struggling so much with styluses. I'm very particular about my drawing utensils. Super exciting. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll have to charge it, do all the magic. So let's open it. Okay, don't mind the mess of the work table. This is actually clean. Anyway, yeah, don't mind the mess of my clean work table. I love this. It's like a little glove. Ah! No, I did not do that right. Oh, whoa, things are sliding out all over. Oh, hello. Oh, I was supposed to lift it from the... Anyway. Hi, sweetie. That is a nice weight. And I so appreciate that it doesn't need to be charged with a wire because I absolutely hate wires. I have too many. Let's see. Yup. Though, are there nibs? Do I have to buy extra nibs? Where are my replacement nibs? Do I not need a replacement nib? So you're telling me I can replace the nib, but I have to go buy replacement nibs. Classic Apple. All right, so this is nice. It's got a case on it and still. Ooh. Oh, more to set up. You guys, I'm just writing. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Okay, the reason that's not a big deal, and it shouldn't be, is because I had buttons on other styluses that did the same thing. But I have to admit, the tap is so much smoother and much more responsive than sitting there and clicking on a thing. As somebody very sensitive to sounds and the sights of wires and the sounds of clicks and just there's everything bothers me. Having something this smooth and nice and it feels even in my hand, and then just a tap, just a little nudge, and it goes, oh, hello, did you need me to change that? Yes, I did. So let's open up Procreate. The sketch is transferred. Oh, so responsive. I'm gonna have to get one of those little gloves. I always say that, but then I never wear it. That's why I always have one of these. As a parent, I'll be drawing and then kiddo needs something and then I put this down and I run over. I want to make something right now that can be a free download for you guys. I don't know. Let's just play around. Let's see. Gosh, you guys, it's pressure sensitive. Well, look at this. Watch. Thick, thin. I can't believe I waited this long. Well, I do. I can because this is expensive stuff. Shout out to my amazing husband for getting me this amazing tool. So let's just start drawing. God, I keep forgetting to say stuff. I mean, maybe this is my format. This is my thing. Sure, why not? So, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be posting some stuff as I finish some commissions. My behind the scenes, unedited, tired, mom face, hair all over. If you like that stuff, come on over to my Patreon, because that's where I do that. This is a little bit more polished. This is as good as it gets here, guys. You're worth it. Also check the links down below because I have linked a free download from my shop to the piece that I illustrated here. A special shout out and thank you to my patrons. You guys are fantastic. I really can't say it enough good things about you guys, so excuse me if I just go on and on and on about how great it is to have community that is supportive to all the different things that I do: sculpture, illustration, painting, graphic design, coloring books, free downloads, feelings. So thanks you guys.